Hi everyone, in front of me I've got UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way, with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer, open the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see here, we've got this pop-out window with device information. So let's simply scroll down and the serial number is right here. So confirm it with OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here in this left section, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. And then let's scroll down and localize this option, Tablet Information. Let's enter. And as you can see, on the second position, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.